Plywood, what do you want, Plywood? We're here to serve. You got a YouTube short that you want to put on there? You got one of your videos, your favorite video? You got a playlist? Whatever you want, Plywood. We're going to give you a few minutes. Plywood is the winner. I'm getting a notification. Stand by for the emergency message for all agents. Oh, yeah, that's right. You got the, okay. Are you serious? Don't say, oh, man, stand by for an emergency message for all the agents. Video your host. Okay. What would you like, Plywood? Yeah, Plywood. Anything you want to post. All right, anything you want to post. All right, you're gonna put it in Wajammin's hands? Wajammin, you want to go over there and fetch one of his videos? It's ideal, guys. If you need watch time, maybe a long video. If you're like Wajammin, he was the one that made Out Like a Bandit, very smart. He did put a 2,000 watt playlist, 2,000 videos in one of his YouTube short playlists, made Out Like a Bandit. So whatever you want, we have a code in GR414 React. Immediately. Are you serious? We do have a good, and that's an NG414? Hold on a minute, guys. Hold on a second. Hold on a mule kick in Mississippi minute. Guys, Plywood, Wajammin, go over there to Plywood's if you would right now and fetch one of his playlists, whatever he said, whatever you want. Guys, hold on a second. Hold on a mule kick in Mississippi minute. GR414 code. Hold on. Jeez. Hold on a mule kick in Mississippi minute. Get it. Joe, he's over there. Get him on that thing. He went around the corner. He's right there. Right there. Get him. Get him. Yeah, okay. Hold on a second. Oh, my goodness. You got him? Okay. Hold him down. Get his head. All right. Hold on. Whoa. Okay, guys. We got it. Sorry about that. Geez, Agent K, Big Kahuna 52. Don't ever do that again. We just had a GR414 code, guys. Oh, my goodness. This has been a test. This has been a test from the, this had been an actual mercy. You would have seen Cory doing something dumb. Agent K. That's why, guys. He's Agent K, Big Kahuna. You just scared the bejesus out of me, man. Why would you do that? Don't ever do that. I just picked a video, Plywood. Okay. All right, let's, okay, guys, we're all good.
No. That doesn't make any sense.